Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Mash Artist Makeup. Today we are going to do a simple, slim liner on the eye for an everyday wear. This isn't going to have a wing, it's going to be very natural just to make the eye appear a little bigger. And for this we will be using a MAC 263, a very skinny pointed angle brush, perfect for cream liners or for anything that you need a very precise line. Today's eyeliner is going to be a Black Track Pro Longwear Fluid Line by MAC. This is a extremely smooth and creamy liner that is amazing. It doesn't dry out or crack at all, even for several hours of wear. And inside you can see it is a very true black. Just solid with no tone, no shine, just a nice liner. And with this, you want to dip the angled brush in very slightly. You don't want to pick up any clumps. You don't want any big chunks. You just want barely enough to get on the tip of the brush. Any excess, just go ahead and dust up against the side. Anytime you do any kind of manipulation to the skin, you always want to use your ring finger. It is the softest skin and is going to be the most sensitive to flex the skin. And for this, you can kind of pick how you want the angle. If you want it up, it's going to appear more open. Straight is just kind of continue that almond. Or if you pull your face down, you'll kind of get more of a hooded face or hooded eye. And I'm going to dive right in, go right along the inner corner with a very thin line. I always like to start on that side in one smooth motion and then go to my end point on the outer corner and start with a very small, slender matching line, and then I build up from there. This just consistently keeps a small rather than going from one side all the way to the other. Sometimes it'll gradually get larger and larger as you go towards the eyelid. And we want to keep a very natural look with this. So again, I always like to show myself where I'm going to draw that line. And then again, very slow, never speed with this. And it's all about slow, smooth, consistent motions. Don't do a bunch of small ones and don't try to reach from one corner all the way to the other corner in one motion either. You just need to find a pace that works for you. Okay, again with that ring finger, I'm going to pull it slightly out and I will start with that inner corner with a nice thin line again. Really just mindfully keeping an eye on the actual size of the line rather than the closeness of the liner to the actual lashes, because that can be filled in, but you don't want to go too thick and get a line that is not going to be a natural look. Again, pull that side and start with that second motion and go through and add any cleanups you might need to perfect that line as you go. The slower you go, the smoother a line you'll get and the less things you'll have to work to clean up after. And again, always show yourself where you want the brush to go. Kind of going over it without actually touching it is something I always do, really just to give my eyes an idea of the finished goal. And I didn't even slow this down. This is actual slow motion of how I do my liners. This is true motion. So again, I'm, just go slow and really smooth, small, not tiny, but well-sized strokes. And then sometimes you just do a little freehanding. You don't actually need to pull the eye. You just need to get that so when your eyes open and you're out looking natural, talking to people, everything will look consistent. The best way to check to see if things are even is to lean back and then check your target zone. So the ends, are they ending on the same spot? Are they the same thickness? And if they are, you're good. Continue with some mascara. I'm going to do that off camera because that's a whole nother lesson, lashes and mascara. And voila, I came back. And now I have my lashes and mascara on. Everything is looking good, and here is a close-up of a very natural everyday eyeliner that really can go with any color, or you can wear without any eyeshadow period, just to have the eye appear bigger. Smooth and consistent. All right, well, thank you so much for watching my everyday eyeliner video. I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves. I had a fun time creating this. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to that link below.